In this video, we'll explore what mobile proxies are and how they differ from regular server proxies. But first, let's start with some general information. Without a proxy, accessing the internet looks like this. The user requests specific data from the internet and receives a direct response. The website being accessed can see where the request originated from and might deny information, especially if access to the resources is blocked for certain IP addresses. A proxy service is an intermediary between the user and the internet resource the user is accessing. It works like this. The user connects to the proxy server and requests, for example, access to a specific website. The proxy either connects to the specified website and relays the requested data to the user or provides this data from its own cache, if available. What exactly are mobile proxies? Essentially, they function like regular proxies, but the internet connection on the server comes from a mobile operator instead of a stationary provider. This means that when using mobile proxies, your IP address will be identified as that of a mobile internet user. The difference between mobile proxies and server proxies lies in the allocation and usage of IP addresses. For server proxies, a set pool of IP addresses is typically used, and these addresses may be viewed with suspicion by end resources. This can lead to the blocking of accounts created with these IPs. In contrast, mobile proxies allocate IP addresses such that each mobile operator has a specific pool of addresses. These IPs can be issued to any user of the mobile network, whether a legitimate user or someone using proxies for scraping. Consequently, end resources are less likely to block these IPs, as doing so would restrict access for all users of that mobile operator. Mobile proxies are often more expensive than residential or server proxies. However, if you need mobile proxies for personal use and do not require a large pool of IP addresses, you can use your phone's capabilities for free. To connect to mobile internet from your computer, follow these steps. Disconnect your mobile phone from Wi-Fi. Enable internet sharing on your phone. Connect your computer to the internet shared by your phone. Your IP address will now be recognized as a mobile IP. If you need to change your IP address, simply enable flight mode on your phone and repeat the procedure. Your IP address will be changed again. However, you can't do this indefinitely because a specific provider in a specific location has a limited number of IP addresses. Eventually, you will encounter repeated IP addresses since the IP address pool is not unlimited. Regarding paid services that sell mobile proxies, simply put, they sell access to multiple such access points, which are located in various locations. To change your IP address, you don't need to switch to flight mode. You just need to click a button in your account dashboard, and the system will change your IP. The 2-CAPTCHA mobile proxy service offers high-quality mobile proxies with a large pool of various locations. 2-CAPTCHA supports rotation, and if the connection is lost, the service automatically assigns a new IP address to ensure the request processing is not interrupted. The service provides a very simple setup and integration process for mobile proxies. With minimal effort, you gain access to over 90 million clean IP addresses worldwide.